Hey there, welcome back to AI Insights Hub. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit using artificial intelligence? Today, we're exploring 5 incredible AI tools that can help you make money, whether you're a freelancer, content creator, entrepreneur, or someone looking for a side hustle. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, stay tuned as we break down each tool, how it works, and how you can leverage it to boost your income. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer. From creating content to automating business processes, AI tools are empowering people to achieve more in less time. But the big question is, how can you use AI to make money? That's what we'll answer today. I'll show you tools for freelancing, content creation, marketing, and more, along with step-by-step demonstrations. Let's dive in. Our first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI, a versatile AI that's revolutionizing freelancing. If you're a writer, consultant, or marketer, this tool is a must-have. Let me show you how it works and how you can monetize it. Writing services offer blog writing, product descriptions, or creative copy on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Script writing generates scripts for YouTube videos or podcasts. Customer support automate responses for small businesses and charge a service fee. Open ChatGPT and input a prompt like, write a 500-word blog post on the benefits of remote work. Highlight how the AI quickly generates a polished article. Show edits or refinements to customize the output for clients. Imagine delivering high-quality content to clients in minutes and charging $50 to $100 per project. That's the power of ChatGPT. Next up is Pictory, a lifesaver for video creators. If you're on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or even creating video ads for clients, this tool will save you hours of editing. Here are some use cases. YouTube content, turn scripts into professional videos with AI. Repurposing blogs, transform written content into engaging videos for different platforms. Social media ads, quickly create high-converting video ads for clients or your own products. Upload a script into Pictory. Show how it matches text with relevant stock footage. Pictory's automation lets you focus on creativity while it handles the heavy lifting. Use it to scale your content production or for video creation as a service. Moving on to Jasper AI, your ultimate marketing assistant. Whether you're running an online business, building a blog, or managing social media, Jasper can skyrocket your productivity. Here are some use cases: ad copywriting, write compelling Facebook or Google ads in seconds. SEO content, generate keyword-rich blog posts for affiliate marketing or lead generation. Email campaigns, create engaging email sequences that convert. Show Jasper creating an SEO-optimized blog post outline based on a keyword. Highlight its content improver tool to refine existing copy. Generate a catchy Facebook ad for a product launch. With Jasper, you can deliver professional marketing materials that clients are willing to pay top dollar for. It's a marketer's dream come true. Next up, Canva is a well-known design platform, but did you know you can use it to make money, even if you're not a designer? Let me show you how. Here are some use cases: social media management, design posts and ads for clients. Digital products, create and sell templates, planners, or e-books. Merch design, design graphics for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and mugs. Create a simple Instagram carousel post using Canva templates. Design a printable planner and explain how to sell it on Etsy. Showcase the pro features, like background remover and premium templates. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy for anyone to create professional designs. Plus, the demand for graphic services is huge, a perfect opportunity for you. Last but not least, Midjourney is perfect for creatives. This AI art generator turns your text prompts into stunning visuals, opening up multiple monetization options. Here are some use cases: sell digital art, offer custom digital portraits or abstract art. Merchandise design, use the generated art for t-shirts, posters, or book covers. NFT creation, dive into the NFT space by creating unique digital assets. Showcase the process of generating art and refining the result. Highlight the unique, high-quality output. Midjourney is a goldmine for artists and entrepreneurs alike. You can sell your creations on marketplaces like Etsy, or even launch your own store. So, there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools that can help you make money. But remember, the key is to take action. Pick 1 or 2 tools that resonate with you, learn their features, and start small. With consistent effort, you'll see results. So, here is a quick recap: ChatGPT, freelance writing and automation. Pictory, video creation made easy. Jasper AI, marketing and copywriting. Canva, graphic design for everyone. Midjourney, AI-generated art for creative projects. This will be all for now, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Insights Hub for more tips on leveraging AI to grow your income. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.